All right, for me, this is the most special time when we finally are wiping it down and finished with a knife. I started this knife for a friend last Tuesday morning, and this is Tuesday, a week later, 10 to 1, just now finishing. So this knife took me about a week. I didn't work all day on Sunday or anything. I did work Sunday night on it a little bit. So this was a 7-day project, but this was had some decorative filings and just a really nice piece. Turned out really good. Turned out to be one of the nicest knives I believe that I've ever done. It's beautiful. Hope you like it, Jeff. Y'all have a blessed day, and we'll see you next